Hi, so good afternoon. My name is Babaji Day, and my life. My end goal is to be able to inspire upcoming technologists in Africa to self actualize and for them to solve problems in Africa using technology. And how did that start? So, I will start off with where I'm from. I'm from Nigeria. My mom wanted me to do any other thing, and my dad wanted me to be a doctor. So there was already conflicting interest on what I decided to do with my life and within that space. The part also stemmed from my junior school, and it moved up into senior school, what you call college. And it was time for me to go to university, and my parents had so much battles between the course I was going to study. So I opted for computer science. I went for computer science. I did it for the next 5 years, and within my fourth year in university, I realized I wasn't really a tech or a geek. I didn't really like coding. I hated networking. Hardware I could manage, but every other thing about computer science I didn't really like. So in my fourth year, I started to think, what did I want to do with myself? I knew I was more of a people person, so I started looking at more people-oriented activities and roles. And when I graduated, I got a job as a human capital consultant. And within that space, what I was doing was talent engagement, talent acquisition, talent strategy. And I did that for 4 years. And then I moved from consulting into the banking sector. I continued with my talent engagement as a human resource business partner, and everything was centered around building people's capacity and building people's skills. Um, I also did like a personality assessment, and that actually self made me self actualize as an individual. Within the personality assessment, what I found out was I was more of a people person, and I'm more of a motivator and an engager. So I started building myself towards that route, which also led me to Acumen. And currently now I am the community manager technical talent at Andela. And what I do is build communities of upcoming technologists and support them with the right learning materials for them to be able to leverage technology on solving Africans' problems. So I feel every part of my life has led me up to this moment. I am currently on the way to living my dream, and I'm taking the story I'm taking the course basically just because I would like to be able to tell and use my story and use stories of other technologies from the African space who are changing the world to inspire people from the creeks. I have a colleague currently right now at Andela, and he was a fisherman and now he's a developer. So I would like to be able to tell stories like that to inspire other Africans who come from the slums or places where the earning is below $1 a day, and tell them they can make more for themselves with this world through tech and solve the issues we have in Africa. Thank you. That's my little map.